within the Maryland, Virginia, and Washington, D.C. area. If you're shy, intelligent and well-mannered and not very active, you could be a victim of Black electronic harassment, and cybercrimes have been often associated with homosexual cults and their quest to find or reinvent men as homosexuals. Homosexuals like to prey on heterosexual men's nature of being masculine individuals, and for a pretender of a woman's nature, gays often are attractive to heterosexual men. Many electronic harassment homosexuals users often convert men to a life of homosexuality for new members of the gay community. Men's symptoms. The feeling of running water on your body, often on genital areas. Mostly women are attracted to becoming wet after sex. Hallucinations of homosexual thoughts and craving of your own flesh through microwave messages. Making the victim feel lonely. Spreading of lies, harmful gossip and rumors. Expanding a man's anal, wearing it through microwave heat weapons. More. In the DC and MD the Check It gang local to the DC area for many years. Dangerous neighborhoods like KSTSE, DC, Alabama Avenue, Benning Road NE, Hillcrest Heights, Anacostia, Suitland, DuPont Circle, Wisconsin Ave, are often the highest area of cyber homosexual terrorist territory.
You had two options, either to run or to fight, and we chose to fight.
And that's how we made our name. That's where we got our respect from.
Dana and Toby, welcome to Daily Extra. You're the filmmakers of a documentary here at Hot Docs called Check It, which is about a gay gang based in Washington, D.C. What is...
The footage you have just watched was of an active team of terrorists leaving the scene at Park Green Apartments.